My name is HG Nguyen. I'm running for San Jose City Council District 5. And the reason I'm running is because in our district we have so many issues. We need to take care of the public safety. We need to take care of the homelessness. We need to take care of the businesses. We need to revitalize the whole district. And we can do it. Together we can make a difference in District 5.
Hi, I'm Len Diepp. I'm a candidate for State Assembly. I'm also a former San Jose Council member. I'm here to support HG Nguyen, who used to work for me, and I know that she has the heart and passion for community service and the understanding and experience of City Hall and government work to make a difference for residents on the East Side.
My name is Lynn, and today I'm the host for HG Nguyen for the District 5 in North San Jose. First thing, besides that she, with the three things that say strong family and strong for District 5 and unity for the diversity, that's the most important that we want to support for her, and we want she to be win this time.
Hi, my name is Tuli, and I live in San Jose. I support HG Nguyen because she is a woman that has a lot of passion, a lot of integrity, loves her community, wants to serve and help out, make a difference, and she cares a lot about her community. She will be a wonderful city councilwoman for District 5, and she earns a lot of our votes. Vote for her, support her, get her into office. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Mike Tanigawa, a San Jose resident for 25 years, and I support HG Nguyen. She has a great deal of experience in both the public and private sector, and she has steered clear of the partisan politics so prevalent in this day and age.
Hello, my name is Diona, and today I come here for talk to everybody for votes for HGs, and the reason I vote for her and support her because she's very intelligent and very honest. If she be the winner, she will be very support for our district, and our district will be safer and then maybe strongest of the San Jose.
The husband one. So what do you think about your wife is running for elected officials?
What do I think? I think it's great. As long as she enjoy doing it, then I support her decision. You only know, like what you can do. You don't know until you try. So, if you are passionate about it, just do it.